friends, it's Peggy from prettypapercards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to learn how to make an easy and pretty fall thank you card. The colors I'm using today are Petal Pink and Smoky Slate. They're subtle and neutral colors, and that's been pretty popular for the colors this fall, and so I wanted to show you how to make this card. You'll notice that for the card, it's a simple card with a card base, the Whisper White card base, and it has then the white panel, Whisper White panel, and a strip of one of the Subtles Designer Series paper pack, and this coordinates exactly. That is a Petal Pink, and this ink is Petal Pink. So that's what I love about Stampin' Up! Is they have everything that coordinates, so your cards and your projects turn out really nice. So let's see how we make it. We're going to start with that panel that we're going to stamp, that Whisper White panel. This is 3 inches by 5 inches. And we're going to get some of our Smoky Slate ink. And this is the stamp we're going to use. This is a photopolymer stamp set. And it's an easy one to stamp. We're going to put 3 leaves here on the left-hand side. And we just kind of line them up together. It really is not hard to do at all. That's why I'm showing it to you, because I like quick and easy cards. I also like the difficult ones, the ones that take time and are pretty and lacy. But sometimes you just want to sit down and make an easy card, right? Now our sentiment stamp says Harvest of Thanks, and we're going to use the same Smoky Slate ink. We're going to line it up right down here, and it's kind of it has some little ups and downs in the font, and so it's very easy to get it even. I haven't had any trouble with it. We're just going to press down there. Okay. Now we're going to put a leaf on the right-hand side that is stamped out of the Petal Pink ink. And we're just going to put this right up here. That's it. That is all your stamping. What do you think about that? Pretty quick, right? All right. Now here is our Whisper White card base that's been folded in half. And we're going to use this 1-inch panel. It's 1 inch by 5 inches of the Petal Pink Designer Series paper. And I'm going to add some Tombow liquid glue. It's one of my favorite glues, and I just put a little bit. It doesn't take much at all. And I'm just going to put that in the lower section, leaving a little more than 1/4 of an inch down here and about 1/4 of an inch on the left and the right. And then we put our panel, our stamped panel on there, adhere it with more of the Tombow glue, and we just come in on top of that Designer Series paper, and then I want this to match this, that distance. So I just bring it down as much as I need to match that distance. That is it. Isn't that quick and easy? Now you can see that for the envelope, I've also stamped one of the Petal Pink leaf groupings there, and so it has a matching envelope. On my sample one, I had stamped inside also, which is really fun to do. It just gives a little interest. This card is so quick and easy. I wanted to make some cards for my team, my stamping team, and I was able to make these in probably just about an hour. I made about 24 of them. And aren't they pretty? I really like them. So I wanted to give you also a little update about what's new right now at Stampin' Up. Right now we have the Stamparatus has some new accessories that have just come out, Stamparatus accessories. I'm just going to bring this back here for you to look at. And just keep watching my blog, prettypapercards.com, for special deals and sales. This month, every month, I'm starting to have an online card class. So keep your eye out this month. In a week or so, I'll be debuting and offering the pre-order of my October online card class. So be watching for that. And I'd love to have you shop with me and make me your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.